how about your feelings after getting the award?
Right now, sir, I am feeling so proud because I make so hard. Then I can achieve 1 month. I try to 100% attendance. That's why I get this medal with you, sir.
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Mr. Faisal, how was your feeling after getting the award?
Sir, Alhamdulillah, I feel very good, sir. I think everyone need regular class. So if I can say, if you hard work, you will get a good result. So everyone need try to his best. Yes, sir, work hard.
Thank you. Best of luck.